Hey friends! I'm Sunny, and today, I'm becoming an orange cake. Ingredients: 1 cup flour, half a cup sugar, half a cup fresh orange juice, 1/3 cup oil, 1 egg, or half a cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, orange zest. Let's gather the magic squad. First, mix the dry friends together. Flour plus baking powder swirl. Now add the sweet stuff, sugar joints. Pour in my juicy sunshine, tangerine. Now add orange juice and oil. Mix egg. Now, time for a warm, cozy nap. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Yeah, I'm glowing. Even something simple can turn into something magical with the right mix of love. Bake with love. Share with joy.